Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coinbase wallet to Phantom. This allows you to manage your digital assets from Coinbase Wallet directly within the Phantom interface. Phantom is a versatile wallet that supports various blockchain networks, including Ethereum, which is primarily used by Coinbase Wallet. We will guide you through the secure process of importing your wallet credentials. First, you need to export your private key or recovery phrase from your Coinbase wallet. Navigate to your wallet settings and look for the security or backup options. There, you will find the option to reveal your 12-word recovery phrase or private key. It is crucial to write this down accurately and store it in a very safe, offline location. Never share this sensitive information with anyone. Next, open your Phantom wallet. Look for the Add Account or Import Wallet option, usually found by clicking your profile avatar. Select to import an existing wallet using either a private key or a secret recovery phrase. Carefully input the information you exported from your Coinbase wallet. Remember to choose the correct network, such as Ethereum, for your imported assets. Once imported, verify that your assets from Coinbase wallet are now displayed within your Phantom wallet. It is always a good practice to perform a very small test transaction, perhaps sending a few cents of crypto, to confirm everything is working correctly. Now you can seamlessly manage your assets and explore the extensive features offered by your Phantom wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.